And we're back to learning HTML, and this time I'm going to show you the strong tag. An easy tag that doesn't have specific attributes. You can use it for styling, but it's actually used to define text that has high importance. But by default it looks like this, so you're just making your text bold. There's also a B tag that makes text bold. It looks exactly the same by default as our strong tag, but the difference is the bold tag is just a formatting tag, and the strong is used when you want to give your text not just a format, but also indicate that the text in between the tag is of high importance, and that, for example, makes it different for search engines. And this is how you can use the strong tag in HTML. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.